In recent years, 3D printing has moved from being a niche hobby for tech enthusiasts to something that almost anyone can explore and enjoy. Whether you want to create your own models, print unique parts, or get into design, 3D printers are more accessible than ever. The best part? The technology has evolved significantly, allowing for faster, more precise printing that can handle multiple colors and materials. Today, I'm here to guide you through the top 5 3D printers for 2024, helping you find the right one for your needs. Don't forget to check out the links to the products in the description below and drop a comment if you have questions or want to suggest other topics for future videos. Number 5. FlashForge Adventurer 5M. The FlashForge Adventurer 5M kicks off our list as one of the most beginner-friendly yet powerful 3D printers on the market. Priced at about $390, this machine is an excellent investment for those who want a smooth, hassle-free experience. One of the key features is its one-click automatic printing, which eliminates the need for manual adjustments. Perfect for newcomers who don't want to deal with the complex setup processes some other models require. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. This printer is incredibly capable. Its Core XY structure allows it to reach impressive speeds of up to 600 millimeters per second, maintaining accuracy while printing at high speeds. Whether you're working on intricate designs or larger objects, the FlashForge handles it all with ease. It also comes with features like quick change nozzles, filament detection, and power recovery, so you won't lose your print if there's a sudden power outage. For a more efficient printing process, the dual fan nozzles ensure stable performance, and it can heat up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, meaning you spend less time waiting and more time creating. Plus, it's adaptable for different types of filaments, making it versatile enough for various projects. With lifetime technical support and a solid warranty, FlashForge has you covered long after your purchase. This printer is perfect for hobbyists or professionals looking for speed and accuracy without breaking the bank. Number 4. Aoseed XMaker. Next on the list, we have a model specifically designed with young creators in mind, the Aoseed XMaker. If you're searching for a 3D printer that combines fun, functionality, and ease of use for kids or beginners, this is it. Priced at around $399, the XMaker offers an exciting blend of accessibility and performance. One of its standout features is its kid-friendly software, which makes it easy for young users to jump right into designing and printing. It even has a secure environment that protects children from unrestricted internet access, while still offering enough features for advanced users as they grow in skill. The preloaded applications and simple, intuitive interface make it easy for first-timers to get started without frustration. However, don't let its focus on kids fool you. The XMaker is a capable machine that works with industry-standard slicers like Cura and Prusa slicer, making it suitable for more advanced projects too. It comes fully assembled and factory-leveled, meaning you can take it out of the box and start printing almost immediately. While its slicing software has some minor limitations, the XMaker compensates for it with a smooth user experience, impressive build quality, and a suite of features that make it an excellent value for its price. Number 3. Bambu Lab X1 Carbon. Taking the third spot is the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, a beast of a machine designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Priced at $449, this 3D printer is on the higher end, but the features justify the cost for anyone serious about 3D printing. Encased in a sleek aluminum shell, the X1 Carbon offers an impressive build volume of 256 by 256 by 256 millimeters, which gives you plenty of room for larger prints. This is the kind of printer you want if you're working on big, complex projects, or if you simply want the option to scale up as needed. Its 300 degrees Celsius hot-end makes it suitable for a wide variety of filaments, and the 4-color AMS system allows seamless material changes during prints. Imagine creating multicolor or multi-material projects with ease. That's exactly what the X1 Carbon can do. It's also equipped with features like automatic bed leveling, flow calibration, and even first-layer inspection to ensure your prints come out perfect every time. These advanced features, paired with its high-speed capabilities, make it one of the most impressive consumer-grade 3D printers out there. The AMS system allows for smooth material transitions mid-print, making it a game changer for those who need flexibility in their designs. Despite its premium price, the X1 Carbon offers exceptional value through performance, versatility, and reliability. Number 2, Creality K1 Max. Now for those who want a mix of speed and performance, the Creality K1 Max earns its spot as the second best 3D printer of 2022-2024. Retailing at $899, it's not the cheapest, but its blazing fast speeds and robust feature set make it well worth the investment for serious users. The K1 Max is known for its top speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared. This means you can crank out prints faster than almost any other consumer-grade printer on the market. For instance, it can complete a standard benchy model in under 14 minutes. That's a serious time saver for anyone working on large-scale projects or those who simply don't want to wait around all day for their prints. It's not just about speed, though. The K1 Max also features a large build volume of 300 by 300 millimeters, giving you the space to work on bigger prints. Its AI-powered camera helps detect print failures, ensuring your project doesn't fail halfway through without you knowing about it. In addition, Creality has introduced firmware updates that allow users to integrate the popular vanilla Clipper firmware, giving more experienced users greater control and customization over their printing process. The K1 Max is the perfect blend of speed, innovation, and accessibility, making it one of the most attractive options for both beginners and professionals. Number 1. Chiron Max. Finally, taking the top spot as the best 3D printer for 2024 is the Chiron Max 3. This is the model for anyone who wants it all: speed, size, and performance. Priced at around $899, it's a premium option that offers incredible features for serious creators and professionals. What sets the Chiron Max 3 apart is its massive build volume of 325 by 325 by 315 millimeters, making it ideal for large, complex projects like cosplay props or intricate engineering models. Despite its size, it's a breeze to set up. The core XY structure and pre-assembled setup mean you can start printing right away without spending hours getting it calibrated. This machine also boasts a maximum speed of 600 millimeters per second and an acceleration of 20,000 millimeters per second squared, so you're not sacrificing speed for size. Its dual cooling fans, all-metal frame, and hardened steel shafts ensure smooth, precise prints every time, even at high speeds. Plus, it's compatible with a wide range of filaments, so you can experiment with different materials to bring your ideas to life. The open-source Clipper firmware and KD Slicer allow for full customization and remote control, giving you even more power over your printing process. If you're looking for the best 3D printer that can handle anything you throw at it, from massive projects to fine, detailed work, the Chiron Max 3 is the ultimate choice for 2024. There you have it, the top 5 3D printers for 2024. Whether you're a complete beginner, an aspiring young creator, or a seasoned professional, there's a 3D printer on this list for you. Each of these printers offers something unique, from blazing speeds to kid-friendly designs, ensuring that your next 3D printing project will be a success. Remember, all the product links are in the description below, so check them out if you want more details. And as always, feel free to leave a comment with your questions or suggestions for future tech videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay updated on the latest in tech. See you in the next one.